Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm at home right now and I've decided to make some ketogenic raisin banana scones. So if you want to see how I make these little delights, please keep watching. 3 cups of self-raising flour, of raised banana, a cup of butter, peanut butter, 1 cup of milk with 1 egg, stevia, flour into my food processor. Into that I shall add the sugar. I've just added the butter into the food processor. And now I'm ready to pop. In the meantime, I'm going to grease my pan, coconut oil spray. Now I'm going to add the almond milk plus the egg. I'm going to add the raisins. And we'll just start cutting out the scones. And there you have it. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my version of the keto raisin, banana and peanut butter scones. So I'll wrap it up right now. And I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And I shall be vlogging shortly. Hope to see you again. See you now. And there you have it, everybody. My scones have just come out of the oven and I'm about to serve them up to my friends and family.